All right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, all right. Welcome back to Brainy Bites tutorial. All right. So if this is your first time of coming across to our YouTube channel, you are welcome. We are Brainy Bites tutorial. What we do in this channel is that we talk about things that concerns JAMB, Pursuit admission, Waec, and NECO. Alright, so if you are any of these candidates, I want to encourage you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on all bell notifications so that whenever I drop any amazing content, YouTube will notify you and you'll be the first to subscribe to check it out. Alright, so the reason why I said you should subscribe and turn on all bell notifications is that on daily basis we drop updates about schools. Alright, so of course, as long as you are as long as you are an university aspirant, you need information. All right, so you need information to be guided so that you don't miss out with your school or university informations update. All right, so you need information. It is very, very important for you. So that's why I say you should subscribe and turn on bell notification so that when I drop the update that you are looking for, YouTube will notify you and you'll be the first to check it out because we are dropping updates on daily basis. All right, so let's get right to the video. So today, the topic of today is, can I gain admission with awaiting result? All right, I promise all my subscribers that whatever question that I receive from any of my candidates, I will definitely have to come here and answer the question. So by the special grace of God, I've been doing that for a very long time now. All right, so this one I'll still continue to do it. Any question I receive, I will definitely come here to answer it. All right, so if you have any question, also let me know in the comment section. I'll be right there to answer all of your questions. All right, so before I answer today's question, before I continue, I want to introduce you to our WhatsApp platform. All right, so we have a WhatsApp community. It is basically for our 2024 UTME registered candidate. All right, of course, you yourself can become one of our members. The only way you can become one of our members is to let me know in the comment section that you want to join us. All right, so after getting to know you on the WhatsApp, I will definitely have to add you in the WhatsApp group. All right, so there in our WhatsApp group, you have access to the ongoing NECO answers for free. All right, so you also have access to your school updated post-UTME answers for free as well. Okay, and you have access to so many other things there too. All right, so one interesting thing about it is that by next year 2025 we're going to launch a program. It is basically a finance program that will help our 2024 admitted candidate. Of course, you yourself, you are going to gain admission, so it will equally help you. All right, so it will help our 2024 admitted candidates. All right, so there, because you and I knows that the money the allowance your parents will be giving to you will not be enough once you gain admission into higher institutions. All right, so that's why we are doing that, to ensure that it will benefit you while you are in school. All right, so then the program is basically for all our candidates. So if you want to join us, let me know in the comment section so that by then you will benefit from there. All right, so let's further ahead. So somebody asked this question, can I gain admission with awaiting results? All right, so one thing about this awaiting result of 18 is that we all know that O level is one of the criteria for admission. All right, so and as such, if you don't have it, there will not be admission for you. All right, so they're not going to give you admission. So however, so they will have a way to reach. Okay, so somebody is worried. So the reason why some persons are worried about is because majority of us wrote Waec this year and majority of us are still writing NECO. All right, so they want to know if they can be able to gain admission, even because, and sometimes some persons, some private universities have started selling their post-UTME form, and some persons that wrote Waec and some that is writing NECO have already purchased those post-UTME forms, all right, with awaiting results. So they want to know if they can be able to get the admission with that same awaiting result. So that's why I'm here to answer you the question. So one thing, let's go. First thing first is that uh, schools will not release admission lists without the results coming out. All right, so schools will not release the admission list without results coming out. So anything they are doing, they have the boards, they know themselves. All right, so they won't plan things they knows the timetable, right? So if they want to plan their team, they will plan their team in a way it will favor all of them. All right, so that's to tell you that before they start releasing admission, all right, all Nigerian institutions must wait for wait for Waec to release their results, and as well NECO to release their result. So any schools that go ahead to sell post-UTME form without waiting for of course, so many schools are going to go ahead to sell the form without waiting for the some schools to release the results. So what you will now do is that after buying that post-UTME form, some schools will create room on their portal where you can later come to upload your WAEC result on their portal once they release the results. All right, so you come to upload your result. So some will tell you to go and upload to JAMB. All right, so they will extract your results from JAMB back end. All right, so that's basically how it is. So of course there's no need to panic about anything. All right, so you can get an admission. They will wait for your result to come out before they can proceed with the releasing of their admission lists. All right, however, you can buy the forms, post-UTME form, without your results. All right, so some schools will say post-UTME form even without WAEC and NECO releasing results. All right, so but they must wait for result to be out before they start releasing the admission list. So you have seen the two differences of how everything looks like. All right, so that's basically how it is. Okay, so I believe I've answered this question today without wasting much of our time. All right, so thank you all, thank you everybody. So please, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. If you have subscribed, thank you, kudos. I love you, Benebat family. I love you so much. All right, so you can share this video to some of your friends out there that probably have this kind of challenge. All right, so they are also scared of this kind of situation, all right, or this kind of challenge as well. So share the video to them, all right, and give this video a thumbs up if this video was helpful. All right, so until I see you again in my next video, don't forget I love you guys. All right, keep winning.